So some people ask how long until things are decomposed. Toilet roll, a month. Cardboard, 2 months. Drinks cans, 200 years. Glass, 4,000 years. And in some cases, some plastics will never ever decompose. This has to stop. Hi, I'm James, also known as the Canoe River Cleaner. My job is simple: to keep our local river litter and debris free, making it safe and habitable for the many species of plants and animals that call it home. River waste alters the habitat for many species. It depletes the dissolved oxygen in the water and reduces the light levels beneath the debris. It damages the ecosystem of the river and its surroundings. I also wanted to make a difference to the visual aspect of our river. For far too long, it's been an eyesore, which is a shame because it's a focal point of the town, and hundreds of residents and tourists alike enjoy walks along its banks. So with talks in local schools to help spread awareness, and bringing together the local community for regular litter picks, I aim to change all that. I can reach parts of the waters that others cannot with my canoe. So together we can make our river something to be proud of, now and for the future. I'm passionate about our river, and I'm passionate about our town. It's about time we did something about this.